Hey guys, it's Eric here and this is my unboxing and review of the Oraimo SpaceBuds. It is the new generation of FreePods and you can use the timestamps to skip to any of the features if you're a new SpaceBuds owner. In the box, we have a welcome guide, a USB Type-C cable, and two pairs of small and large antibacterial earbud tips. Now let's talk about the design. We have a smooth grey rippling effect on top, plain at the bottom, and pulsating light around the perimeter. Then there's the USB Type-C port on the side. These earbuds won a German A Design Award for its unique appearance. The charging case is pretty springy and slides out easily, which is kind of satisfying. We have magnets holding the SpaceBuds in place for when you accidentally slide them upside down, and it's easy to pop them out when you need to. Under the right lighting, the SpaceBuds goes from black to blue-green gradient color. From a wear test, it's a tight fit, it is very light and almost forgettable in the ears. Oh, and the sound quality has been significantly improved coming from the FreePods 4. For controls, the first tip is to actually download the Oraimo Sound app from Play Store or App Store, because some of the cool features that were not on the previous gen can only be accessed on this app. Even without the app, you can still turn on active noise cancellation by pressing and holding any of the buds until it beeps twice. Turn on active voice assistant by pressing and holding the left bud till you hear it beep 4 times, and turn on game mode by pressing and holding the right bud till you hear it beep 4 times. Guys, you do not want to game without game mode. It makes all the difference if you don't want to hear your enemy's footsteps half a second later. Of course, we have all the traditional control buttons for making calls, ending calls, pause, play or skip music, and volume control functions. However, you can switch which ear does what between music and volume controls on the Oraimo Sound app, or turn either one or both earphones touch controls off. Something really cool that only the SpaceBuds can do is wide area tap, which basically turns these two areas of your outer ear into controls in order to pause, play, or turn on active noise cancellation. But you need to enable it on the Oraimo Sound app first. For people who play with their ears a lot, I wouldn't recommend this feature. Yo, this customizable voice prompt is probably the coolest feature exclusive to the SpaceBuds, and it basically lets you record any voice rather than be stuck with the boring default voice. Simply hold down the button and say each of the prompts like this. Disconnected. Noise reduction. Two people cannot have the same voice, and there are over 500 languages in Nigeria, so no two Oraimo SpaceBuds should be exactly the same. If only I could get Burna Boy to do my voiceover for me though. We get Smart Chat feature, which basically pauses your music and switches on transparency mode when you're speaking. For those scenarios when you're listening to a podcast and you don't want to reach for your ears every time somebody comes over to have a conversation with you, it will however be impossible to sing along to music with Smart Chat turned on. This one is pretty much icing on the cake. The lights around the case are customizable. From the light effect option, you can change your indicator lights as well as how animated you want the light to be. Not bad at all, but I quite like the default light and the way that it pulsates. We get Bluetooth 5.4 on here and it pairs really fast. By activating dual device connection, you can connect two devices simultaneously, like your phone and laptop, or a secondary phone, which lets you play games on one phone while receiving a call on another.
So I'm playing a game right now and I am making this call at the same time from two different phones connected to the same wireless earbuds, and I wanted to check in on how the quality was. So what do you think? How does this sound and what would you rate it over 10?
I'll give it a 7, and I can't hear the game at this end.
So I think the earbuds is actually giving preference to the call.
Oh, okay.
Over the actual fighting.
Yeah, definitely. I can't hear anything. 7. 7.
Yeah. Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
All right now.
Yeah.
It sports a slightly bigger 650 mAh battery in the charging case and 76 mAh in each earbud coming from last gen. This will give you a whopping 11 hours of playtime on a single charge and up to 40 hours total playtime with noise cancellation off, of course. We have a 4 mic 50 decibel hybrid active noise cancellation coming from the 30 decibel from previous gen. On paper, the Oraimo SpaceBuds gives Apple AirPods Pro 2 with its 35 decibel noise cancellation a run for its money. I think Apple's noise cancellation is still superior, but the SpaceBuds is not too far away. Overall, the Oraimo SpaceBuds is positioned as the budget true wireless earbuds that does nearly everything on a budget. It offers a lot of premium features, great sound quality with heavy bass, and the option to customize your equalizer, an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance while running around when it's drizzling, and an option to update firmware when there is a software update. It doesn't hurt that it's compatible with Google Find My app for when you cannot figure out where you dropped it. If you're interested in buying the Oraimo SpaceBuds early, well, Oraimo just launched their official store app, which is available on Google Play Store and iPhone App Store, and you get 12% off if it's your first order via the Oraimo store app, and 5% when you use my discount code NEWKED, KNEWKEED. So will you be upgrading to the Oraimo SpaceBuds? I would love to hear your thoughts about it in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram to see what I'm up to. Do subscribe for more videos like this, as it will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.